Hi parents and students. Nama institute lo repeaters admissions are going and we are segregating the batches depending on the admissions and all. So admissions are now going on. So repeaters batch ku nama enna panna porom, what is the year plan, நம்ம எப்படி syllabus பிரிக்க போகிறோம், எப்படி how to manage the physics especially அப்படிங்கிறது just I am going to explain you roughly per week schedule. వీక్లో నార్మల్గా physics will have 12 hours of teaching. 12 hours of teaching in physics. Physics 12 hours of teaching per week. 12 hours and 60 minutes of class. I am taking 12 into 60 minutes. Aprina 720 minutes of class you will have per week. And then chemistry 11 hours of teaching. 11 hours of teaching chemistry. And for biology you will have 12 to 13 hours, 12 or 13 hours for biology. Biology ku pathina you will have 12 to 13 hours, either 12 hours or 13 hours of classes for biology. Appadina total number of teaching hours per week will be, you will get either 35 or 36 hours per week. This is the total teaching time per week. In the 36 hours நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, you see here, see Monday, Tuesday, see I am going to give you Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. See I am going to divide the week schedule. Normally Monday, as you know well, we have CPT exam, cumulative practice test of 720 marks exam. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you will have majority of the classes of 36 hours. Nearly 30 hours of teaching will be here. 30 hours in this entire 4 days. Remaining 6 days, remaining 6 hours will be there. 3 hours or 2 hours, 2 hours. On Saturday, you will be having majority of the, means 3 hours of teaching plus remaining maximum time will give for study time, extra study hours on Saturday. Normally, our timings will be, if you take hostel campuses, morning 6:30 to evening 9:30. In the duration low, only 3 hours of time will be teaching. Remaining time will be extra time for study hours. On Sunday morning, you will have exam from 9 to 12. Sunday morning, you will have exam from WPT exam every day in the every Sunday in the morning session. So WPT na whatever we are teaching, and here plus 3 hours of teaching plus CPT exam in the evening. So WPT exam na whatever we have covered in this week, one particular chapter of physics, one chapter of chemistry and 2 chapters of biology will be conducted as WPT exam on Sunday morning. Generally Sunday, 3/4 of the Sunday you can take rest and revise, and Monday you will have CPT exam. CPT enna idhukku syllabus 50% of WPT plus 50% extra. 50% extra syllabus. So this is a syllabus for every week of CPT. Appadina Sunday after this exam or 2-3 hours you can spend for the revision of extra syllabus of WPT, so for CPT. So this is the week plan. So every week we are going to write 2 exams of 720 marks apart from daily exams. So daily exams I am not giving here. Daily exams will be there sometime. So this is the week schedule. And likewise we are going to complete the syllabus by December syllabus completion will be December 31st. Our target syllabus December 31st. December 31st ki we are going to complete the teaching schedule along with the CPTs, WPTs. Then we'll give 2 times of revisions in the month of January, February, March. 2 revisions will happen. 2 revisions see you can utilize maximum time for studies. And in this time you see our duration is morning 6:30 to 9:30, and you will have 6 to 7 hours of teaching every day, and remaining time will be for study time. Especially we are going to segregate, majority of the time will be allocated for physics, second chemistry, then last biology. We'll segregate the time like that. Majority of your time will be allocated for physics. Physics is the most important thing, and senior teacher will be available to clarify the doubts all the time. So on coming to revision schedule. So likewise every week schedule will happen, and we'll complete the syllabus by December 31st. December 31st killa syllabus will be over with every week 2 exams. So this is a rough plan per week. And now you see here, now I am going to explain you what we are going to see during the revision time. Appadina, from in the month of December, in the month of after December, like after December means January, February and March. These 3 months, how is our revision plan? See, daily you have to write 1 DPT on like in a week. See, again I am going to divide the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So idilo Monday, say for example physics 1 chapter, Tuesday chemistry, Wednesday physics, Thursday chemistry, Friday physics. Appadina, see, 3 chapters of physics, 2 chapters of chemistry, plus 4 chapters of biology. 4 chapters of biology. Appadina totally 5 chapters of physics and chemistry, 4 chapters, 9 chapters you will have exam on Sunday morning. Exam of part test. They call part test 1, part test 2, part test 3, part test 4. Likewise, every week like this. And next week, 3 chapters of chemistry, 2 chapters of physics and 4 chapters of biology. So weekly and 9 chapters will be given, and every day you will have 2 DPTs. So DPT, daily practice test, this will be started from January. Idilo morning 8:30 to 9 o'clock you have to write bio DPT, biology exam. Every day you have to write bio DPT, and in this particular day, say for example chapter 1, you have to read from 8:30 means 9 o'clock till in the evening 7 o'clock. So you will have ample of time, 10 to 12 hours of time for 1 chapter of physics, 10 to 12 hours of time for 1 chapter of chemistry. So now entire day you can utilize effectively, and DPT time will be in the evening 6 to 7. 6 to 7 every day you will have either physics or chemistry DPT. Means every day you are going to write 2 DPTs, and after that 1 part exam. So this is 1 part. Likewise, we will divide the entire syllabus into like 7 parts. 7 parts agambodu January lo 4 parts and February 2 parts. 1.5 month we can revise, and another 1.5 month we will revise the second time of revision, so that by March 2 revisions will be completed. 2 revisions will be completed. After that, April onwards you have to write apart from all these exams, we are last year and all we have conducted 30 to 35 full syllabus exams, grand test, full syllabus exams. So this is the rough plan of our repeaters batch for our students, and make use of this. And remember that every day you should read 3 pages of NCERT biology. Second thing, minimum 3 to 4 hours, especially for physics and chemistry. We are allocating more time for physics. You are aspiring for physics high score. If you want physics high score, here we are to take care of you. And I will be taking like a special class called STB. STB na those who are all good in, those who are all somewhat good in biology and chemistry, physics konjam lagging lo irukra students ki we are doing with a separate program for those students. So make use of the students. Thank you.